The rise in population requires doubling agricultural production to meet the coming demand. They have to produce more food to meet the needs of the billions of people in the world. Labor shortages threaten the survival of farmers in many countries. This need has caused farmers and food manufacturers to turn to robots and autonomous machines for the coming future. In this video, we have listed the top agricultural robots that are changing the idea of farming in 2022. First in the list is Nexus Robotics. Nexus Robotics' new robot, named Le Chevre, is able to navigate and remove weeds autonomously. It uses cameras and a neural network to differentiate between weeds and crops. It is specialized for removing weeds accurately without damaging crops. It constantly collects data about the crop and growing conditions. This information allows the farmer to make more educated decisions about soil fertility and disease remediation. Le Chevre is capable of removing weeds from many different crops while operating 24 hours a day. It is able to recognize crops at all stages of growth. Superior records from the growing season result in potential for improved growing conditions. Multiple RTK GPS sensors provide position and orientation for navigation, while the robot is scanning the underlying crops and weeds with cameras and depth sensors. The sensor measurements are also used to classify plants as crops or weeds. With the classification and location of the weeds, mounted robotic arms with delta mechanisms actuate to the weeds in the constructed map and then pull them from the ground using grippers. It is the only robot that is able to remove weeds directly next to crops. Beyond its picking capabilities, Le Chevre is constantly learning and feeding data back into its neural network. The driverless robot uses cameras and its neural network to selectively pick weeds without damaging a farmer's crops. Next in the list is Gus. Gus keeps modern agriculture businesses moving, row after row, field after field, day or night. Gus makes it possible for farmers to grow more food using fewer resources. Gussie's navigation system is so easy to set up and use that most growers can be up and running in just a few hours. It uses a sophisticated combination of GPS, LiDAR, vehicle sensors, and proprietary software to move through orchards without an onboard operator. A single employee can monitor up to 8 Gus sprayers at a time from the comfort and safety of a pickup truck using a laptop computer. Increase precision and efficiency, as well as lower material costs. Select Spray detects the desired tree and sprays the specific amount of material needed to properly cover every tree, regardless of height or canopy size. This reduces material usage as well as material drift during application. Spray orchards more quickly and consistently, using fewer resources and reducing costs by eliminating operator, error, and downtime. Precisely control application rates and sprayer speeds across entire fields and in variable terrain with Gus adjustable software parameters. Now comes Harvest Croo. Harvest Croo is supporting strawberry growers and maintaining supply of nutritious foods with environmentally friendly harvesting. It provides a harvesting service that automates the crop management, harvesting and packing of specialty crops. Each harvester has 16 independently working robots ready to harvest, as the harvester autonomously navigates its way through acres of strawberries. With artificial intelligence and machine learning vision system, each berry on a plant is scanned to determine if it's ripe, healthy, and ready to be picked. The harvester is then set to pick a berry without damaging the fruit. The harvester-mounted litter system provides a 360-degree dimensional view of the fields. This allows for more precise navigation down rows of strawberries. Harvest Croo's software ecosystem has been designed from the ground up to provide growers with data that can be used to make informed business decisions and will support growers throughout their entire customer experience. Its mobile applications provide monitoring and control of harvesters, along with data insights from harvesters and fields in which they pick. This is Agribot, the first pre-commercial robotic harvesters for gently harvest strawberries. Adaptable configuration up to 24 independent robotic arms work as a team to pick your fresh produce. The flexible platform fits into any farming configuration. Made of stainless steel and military-grade aluminum, this electric-powered robot can robustly operate with a high degree of precision. Its self-reliant decentralized arms architecture makes it particularly easy to set and maintain. On-board short-range integrated color and infrared depth sensors to capture all details. Its cutting-edge graphic processing units helps to assess the fruit ripeness. The robotic's arms grip and cut the stem and then place into field container. In order to protect the berries from squeezing or falls, they are cut from their stems by two thin, razor-sharp blades. Additional ultrasonic sensors are exposed to the same external impacts while helping steer the harvesting machine automatically. Meet Turtle. Farmers have been using soil analysis and automation for decades to grow better crops. Now Turtle delivers those tools, tech, and support right to your door. Grown your best garden ever. Special wheels churn up top layer of soil disrupting weed seeds as they grow. Any weeds that do sprout get cut down with a string trimmer. Just press the button and let the robot take care of the rest. The only maintenance is to replace the whacker string when it wears down. Solar-powered weeding robot for home vegetable gardens. No charging, no programming. Just push the button. Organically controls weeds all season long. Turtle uses height to identify plants from weeds. Anything tall enough to touch its front sensors is considered a plant and Turtle will turn away. If it passes under the robot, Turtle cuts it. If it touches the robot's shell, it is seen as a plant and Turtle leaves it alone. If it passes under the robot, it's a weed and gets whacked. Included metal guards protect young plants. It never goes on vacation or has something better to do. It is weatherproof and can stay in the garden from spring through fall. Solar-powered, it never needs to be charged. Perfect for busy moms, dads, grandparents, or anyone who doesn't have the time, ability, or desire to weed the garden, but still wants to grow fresh, healthy vegetables for their family. Next is Avo, a robot that is autonomous in energy and navigation, which offers smart and ultra-ecological spraying. Avo is a fully autonomous agricultural robot. Thanks to its solar traction and its interchangeable batteries, Avo can treat up to 10 hectares a day by using up to 95% less weed killers. It features an adjustable wheel for more spacing. It weighs less than 750 kilograms. It is tireless and can work up to 12 hours per day on solar energy. It detects weeds with the help of high-precision spraying without damaging any crops. Avo can treat up to 10 hectares a day by using up to 95% less weed killers. Increase your efficiency and reduce your environmental impact as much as possible. This is Terrantia. Terrantia Robot is a vehicle equipped with multiple cameras and lidar sensors that runs around the farmland. This robot has the capability to navigate through cornfields utilizing GPS to test the health of the crops. It is a system that can collect plant characteristic data and measure it with high accuracy. The acquired field data is seamlessly transformed into quantitative and consistent information by machine learning-based analysis. Weighing in at 30 pounds and just over a foot wide, Terrantia is designed to automate in-field plant trait collection, especially under the canopy. Terrantia Robot is a product that can be customized according to the user's application and wishes. Therefore, the end user and the manufacturer can guide you to the optimum configuration. It is necessary to hear the application and adjust the specifications in advance. Now comes Farmwise. Farmwise leverages state-of-the-art technologies to perform plant-level interventions. Built collaboratively with vegetable growers, the Farmwise weeding machines achieve the level of flexibility, reliability, and precision that the industry needs. Farmwise supports a variety of crops, including leafy greens, cauliflower, and broccoli. Field data is given back to growers to optimize forecasting processes. Farmwise Robot can weed crops to feed a medium-sized city of approximately 400,000 inhabitants. Robots can cleanly pick weeds from fields, reducing or eliminating the need for chemical pesticides. To date, the robots have efficiently removed weeds from more than 10 million plants. Innovative systems and processes that allow farmers to streamline operations and increase food production efficiency. Next is Thorvald. Until now, agricultural robots have been designed to operate in only one type of environment, with no or limited possibilities for customization. Thorvald is a new module-based robot design that allows for very different robots to be built using a set of standardized modules and rebuilt using only basic hand tools. The robotic platform can be reconfigured to accommodate various conditions and perform different tasks on a farm. The modules are designed to enable high-quality robots that can quickly be customized for a given application in a given environment, such as a greenhouse, tunnel, open field, and orchard. Thorvald navigates autonomously using proprietary state-of-the-art software and is operated via an intuitive, easy-to-use interface. Autonomous navigation has been tested by robot operation over thousands of kilometers in challenging, real-world agricultural environments including polytunnels, open fields, and vineyards throughout the world. Thorvald is autonomous, so it operates entirely on its own. Last in the list is Dino. Dino navigates your field autonomously with a 2-centimeter precision range thanks to a guidance system that combines the information from RTK GPS and other sensors. Dino detects crops' rows and adjusts the tools to weed as close to the plants as possible. Works on lettuce, onions, carrots, parsnips, cabbage, leeks, cauliflower, various herbs, and much more. Dino is easy to use while being equipped with numerous safety systems. The Dino can go for between 6 and 8 hours, depending on soil conditions and how many of the machine's tools are in use at one time. The batteries require about 8 hours to recharge. It is composed of a crop detection system below the robot that uses deep learning technologies. Thanks to prior learning and training, the machine is able to recognize and distinguish lettuces, whatever their color, variety, and stage of growth. By using a combination of cameras and a GPS tracking system, Dino is able to determine the location of plants with great precision and in real time as it passes over the beds. It then just has to start the active tool with which it is now equipped, since it knows exactly in space and time when to open and close the knife so as to weed as close as possible to the plant without damaging it. It is designed to weed industrial crops autonomously and without human supervision thanks to its guiding mechanism and its weeding and hoeing tools. The robot will also send you real-time detailed and localized information with regard to crop. Dino is specially designed for large-scale vegetable farms. This electric weeding robot works on crops like leafy greens. The weeding robots use an advanced GPS navigation system and help farmers manage weeding without herbicides. If you liked the video, please subscribe our channel.